Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Ram 1500 TRX Crew Cab in bright white. With HID headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, 18-inch aluminum wheels, TRX exterior graphics by Mopar, off-road style running boards by Mopar, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 4,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, spray-in bed liner by Mopar, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number CS1100.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.